Morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a platform that pays us for mining TRS. Okay, before I dive into today's video, please, guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell to be referred to watch any video I'll be posting from now henceforth. Okay, guys, we'll be diving into today's videos. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Okay, in today's video, we are going to be talking about a platform which pays you for what? For mining TRS. It pays you for mining TRS. Okay, this is the platform. Yeah, it is called what? UBAIM. It is called UBAIM. What you have to do now is you click on the link in the description below, and you will find yourself in this platform. What you have to do now is to what? Register an account. To register an account, you see they will say to register an account in this platform. What you have to do now to register an account is to do what? You put your username, your password, and this is my referral code. You need this referral code to make sure you to be among the people that will register for the website. You put in the referral code and put in your email, and boom, you have registered to this platform. Okay, me, I'm already registered. All you have to do now is to log into my account. I will log into my account right now. Okay, let me just log into my account. All I have to do now is to just log into my account. I will put in this captcha 23. Okay, let me just log into my account. Okay, guys, immediately you register on this platform, you'll be given 805 miner. You can see on my own you are seeing 806. Immediately you register to this account, you'll be having what? 805 in your flexible account. This is your flexible account. You'll be having 805. This is your flexible account. You can see this is your flexible account. This is your flexible account here. You'll be having 805. 805. This is your flexible account. You can see there. You'll be having 805 there. Me, I'm having 806 because I've already deposited $1 into this account. Okay, what you have to do now is you'll be having 805. You understand? And with this 805, you cannot be among the VIP. You cannot be among any VIP in this platform if you're having 805. All you have to do is to deposit $1 to be among the VIP zero. And that was what I did. Okay, you can see when it comes to this invest here, you can see they have what? VIP 1. You can see VIP 1. You can see the VIP 1. VIP 1 is having what? $6 to $9 to be among the VIP 1. Why VIP 0 is $6 to $9, VIP 1 is $10 to $199, which is $200 to be among VIP 0 or VIP 1. Okay, when you register, you'll be having $805. $805. That's what you'll be having if you register on this. You'll be having $805. All you have to do now is either you deposit $1 to enter the VIP 0, or you deposit $5 on top to enter the VIP 1. You understand? Okay, guys, look at what I did when I registered. I deposited $1 to be among the VIP 0 to check whether the platform is paying. Okay, after the platform paid me for complete 2 days, because if you are in the VIP 0, they will only pay you for 2 days. They cannot pay for more than, they will pay you for only 2 days. You understand? They will pay you for 2 days. After they have paid me, their payment is about, let me see, they are paying you about 6 to 7% daily, and they paid me 0.41 and 0.41 for 2 days, and I received my payment in TRS. You understand? After you have been paid for 2 days, you can just, okay, let me just dive into the main one, which is what? The VIP 1. Or you can still just deposit $5 and start from VIP 1 and start earning from the platform. Okay, now after you have registered and you make your deposit, okay, let me make my deposit to be among the VIP 1. I will be depositing to what? To go into the VIP 1. Okay, all I have to do now to become a VIP 1 member, I have to click on deposit here. I'll click on this deposit here. You can see deposit here. Once I click on this deposit here, you'll be seeing what they call transfer to flexible account and transfer to wallet account. Okay, for you to be among, they have 2 ways of earning in this platform. First of all, they have 2 ways of earning. For you to aim in this platform, they have the flexible account and the what, and they have the flexible earning. If you go back, you see where, if you come to this invest here, you see what they say: flexible investment and what? Cyclical investment. Okay, for you to be among this flexible investment, your earning will last for about, let me say, 180 days. You understand? You'll be earning for about 180 days with your what? With your $10 deposit. But when you come to this cyclical investment here, you have to what? Invest for, let me say, 15 days for a particular cycle. Let me say 3 days investment, 10 days investment. That is what they will give you a certain percentage for what? Either investing for 3 days or investing for what? 15 days. But when it comes to this flexible, you can aim for about what? 180 days. They will pay you for complete 180 days. Okay, guys, I'll be going for the what? Flexible investment. I'll have to click on deposit. I have to click on deposit here. When I click on this deposit, I will transfer my money to what? To what? This transfer to what? Flexible account. I'll go for this transfer to flexible account. But if you want to go for the cyclical investment, you click on what? Transfer to what? to wallet account. That is the difference. If you want to go for the what flexible investment, click on transfer to flexible investment and make your deposit. But if you want to go for the cyclical investment, you click on what transfer to wallet account and make your deposit, and what look for investment. If you want to invest for the 15 days, you can go for the 15 days miner or any of them you want to go into. Okay guys, now I'll be going for the what flexible investment. I'll click on that flexible account. Once I click here, you can see you can deposit in any of these modes. If you want to deposit in TRC 20 USDT, you can do it. BEP 20 USDT, ERC 20, BNB, ETH, Dodge, and TRS. Okay, in today's video, I'll be going into what I'll be depositing through what TRS. I'll be using TRS for my deposit method today. Okay, I'll click on this choose on this TRS. I'll click on choose. And once I click there, I'll be taken to a place where what an address will appear. They'll say what, let me copy the address and make my ID. What I have to do is to click on that copy there. You can see that copy there. I'll click on that copy there. Once I click on that copy there, I'll copy it to copy it for me. You see, copy successful. I'll have to go back to my Trust Wallet and make a deposit of what, $4 to make my money $10. I have to go back to my Trust Wallet. Once I get to my Trust Wallet, okay, let me open my Trust Wallet and make my deposit. Let me open my Trust Wallet and make my deposit. Okay, I'm in my Trust Wallet already. You can see I'm having little TRS. Okay, let me just make my deposit of $4. Make my deposit of $4 worth of TRS. Okay, let me just make my deposit of $4 worth of TRS. Making my deposit of $4 worth of TRS. You can see $4 worth of TRS that I'll be depositing to this website. Okay guys, you can see it is still pending. Let me just make my deposit of $4 worth of TRS and see whether this platform will be paying us or not. Because let me just, okay, you can see our deposit has been completed. Okay, we go back to the platform, we click on submit what successful. We click on this submit successful. Once I click on this submit successful, you can see the submission is complete. I'll click on this record there to check if my listing was successful. You can see it is what successful. I have to go back now. Go back to the site. I have to go back. You can see I'm having $810 now. You can see guys, I'm having $800 and what, $10. You can see if you watch it, you can see I'm having $810 now. I'm now a VIP1 member. If I click on this invest, down here, if I click on this invest down here, you can see now. I click here, you can see I'm still in VIP 0. Okay guys, I'll make another deposit on this site again. See whether I will go to VIP 1. I'll make another deposit of, let me see, even if it's, let me make another deposit. Maybe my deposit was not completed. Let me make another deposit guys of, let me see, I'm having 9.9999. Let me make another deposit of, let me see, 0. Let's just do a little calculation. 0. Let's make a deposit of 0.1 USDT. Let's make it another deposit of 0.1 USDT to this platform again, 0.1 USDT, and check whether it will still go. Let's make another deposit of 0.1 USDT. I'll go back to my deposit here. Let me refresh the site. I'm still in VIP. I'm still in VIP 0, but I'm having okay, $809. You can see I'm having $809. Maybe they took some of the charges. So let me just try and deposit 0. something. Let me go back again. Let me go back and click on TRS. I'll copy it. Make another deposit of 0. Let me just go for USDT. 0.2 USDT. Let's go for 0.2. Let's go for 0.2 USDT and see if it will go. 0.2 USDT to complete it, to make our money. Let's try and see. We are trying. You can see we are trying. If the platform is going to pay, we'll take the money. Platform is not going to pay, we all rest. So we are testing it. So please guys, be patient with me and watch this video to the end. Okay, let me click on transaction successful. Let me click on transaction successful. I've clicked on it, and let me check. Okay, plus 0.2. Let me go back and see if this platform is going to pay us or not. Okay, let's go back to investment. I can see we are now in VIP 1 guys. We are now in VIP 1. You can see now we are now in VIP 1 guys. You can see we are now in VIP 1. You can see, guys, we are now in VIP 1. If you look here, you see what VIP 1. We are now in VIP 1, guys. Look at, we are now in VIP 1 now. Okay, all I have to do now is to what, test if this site is going to pay me, because the site have paid me. Let me just be saying, they have paid me. They have withdrawn from this site. They have paid me. Okay, for me to be able to withdraw from this site now, guys, I have to wait for after what, 24 hours. I have to wait for after 24 hours to make sure that this platform is what paying. I have to wait after 24 hours. After 24 hours, I'll get my, okay, you can see my payment already. I don't even need to wait again. Okay, you can see now having the start, I'm able to withdraw 0.42 what USDT. If you just click on that 0.42 USDT, when I click on it, you can see it now. It will now come to my balance here. You see it now, it is now in my balance at 0. What wallet account is now in 0.43 now. All I have to do now is to click on what withdrawal. I'll click on this withdrawal here. For those that are registered new, when you click on this withdrawal here, you see where they tell you to input your what, your Dogecoin or TRS wallet. You have to click any one you want. When you click, you have to click any of them you want. When you click somewhere like here, you see what it tell you to add your what, your Dogecoin or what, your TRS wallet address. You just have to what, copy any of them and add it there. You understand? If you want to be withdrawing through Dogecoin, you can what, you can put your Dogecoin wallet. If you want to withdraw through TRS, you can put your TRS wallet there. But me, I've already done all that. All I have to do is to click on this choose withdrawal amount. I will click there and my wallet will appear there. Now what, choose the amount I want to withdraw, which is 0.4 0.43, right? 0.43 USDT. I'll be withdrawing 0.43 USD, 0.43, which is, I have to enter my what, my transaction password, guys. I'll be posting this video to enter my transaction. Okay, guys, I've placed the withdrawal. Okay, let's wait for a minute and see if it will be successful. You can see I've withdrawn 2 times on this site and they paid. Look at 1, 2. You can see they paid, and I'm making my what, my third withdrawal. I can see something just came in now. You can see now. You can see, guys. You can see I just received TRS. You can see now I just received 8 TRS, 8.46. You can see I just received 8.46 TRS from this site. You can see now $0.43 is worth 8.46. You can see it at 8.46 what TRS. You can see I just received 8.46 TRS. You can see this is 8.46 here. I just received it in my wallet. This is Limpen. Let me just reload it and see if it will write what successful. Let's just give it some time and see if it will write what. So we'll keep reloading to see if the write was successful. Let me just reload. Okay, you can see, guys, it is now what successful. That shows that what they have paid me. So it is now what successful. Now they have what, I've received my what, my TRF. If I come back to my wallet here, you can see now having what 8 point what, I just withdraw what 8.46 what TRS direct to my what, to my wallet, guys. Okay, guys, these people have money. See this site they will pay, like they will pay. Go and see, they might pay for at least 2 or more than 1 month. Because if you click on this receiving address, if you click on this receiving address now, let me just click now, you see how much this platform have. This platform, they have enough money to pay. They have, when I say enough, they have enough money to pay. They have enough money to pay us. They have, like, I don't know if you can just take the risk and just invest on this. You can take the risk and invest. For me, I believe that they will pay for up to, even if it's 3, 4, 5, 6. You understand? These people, they're having what, 53,000 TRS. You can see they're having 53,000 TRS in this wallet. You can see 53,000 TRS, guys. These people are having 53, which is what, 2,700. These people will pay for long. They will pay for up to what? The last time I checked, it was 16,000 TRS. Now they have added another one, which is 53,000 TRS. These people, they are going to pay for long, guys. They are going to pay for long. So if you know what to do, just dive into this opportunity and what, and don't play with any chances like this, guys. Make sure you take part in this update. This is paying. They are paying massively. You can see I just got my own payments now. I got my payment, live withdrawal. I got my payment. You can see my listing is now what empty. You can see everything here is now what empty. I've been paid for today. I have to wait for another 24 hours to receive another payment from this side. You can see my daily earning is 4 to you can see here 4 to 4.2 percent daily. 4.2%, which is 0.42 USDT every day, guys. Every day I'm just getting 0.42 USDT, 0.42 USDT every day, guys. And this is what massive wealth, guys. You can make up to 1,000 TRS from this site in a month. It depends on what you have to deposit on the site. Okay, if what, guys, now you can see this place that is called what, share to friends. If you click on this share to friends, guys, this share to friend. If you click on this share to friend, it means that what you are referring your friend to what, to this platform. It means you are referring your friend to this what. If you click on this share to friend, it means you are what, you are referring your what, friend to this. For you to be able to refer your friend, all you have to do is to click on this copy what link, this copy link. Either you copy your referral, you click on that copy the referral and send it to the person, or you what, you send the person your invitation code and send the person the website what, the website, and the person will just use your invitation code and what, and register. What you have to do next now is what, you can see the team. If you come to this thing and you see what they have, level 1, level 2, and level 3, and you can see this platform they will pay you 12% for level 1. If you bring anybody direct in level 1, you are paying you what, 12%, guys. They will give you 12%. If you refer anybody, you are getting what, 12% from that person. Any amount the person deposited, you are having what, 12% of what that person deposited. And if you come to the app, this platform also have an app. You can go to Google Play Store and get their app. You can see app here. You can go to Google Play Store and download their app, guys. You can download the app through site, or you can download it through what, Google Play Store. Okay, if you come to information, this is what, everything you need to know about the site. You can just go through everything here. You can just go through all the information here, and what you know what to take, what the decision to take next. You can see if you come here, if any user will get what, 805 USDT upon registration. You understand? 800 USDT is used as a what, flexible investment locked up deposit. 5 USDT will be what, sent directly to your what, flexible investment account after registration. You only need to recharge 1 USDT to start what, experience what, earning coin immediately. You understand? So guys, after 24 hours, you earn what, after what, 24 hours. You can see this VIP 1 period is over what, 180 days. When the contract expires, you can withdraw the investment principal of 805 USDT. Imagine when you this site lasts for about the 180 days they say it will last. After the 180 days, you can withdraw what, the 805 USDT they gave you. You can withdraw it again. This is what I call free money. This is what I call what, free money, guys. So make sure you take part of this opportunity, and make sure you don't leave any money on the table, guys. If you want to contact their customer care, maybe having any issue, you can use here. You can see this one here. This one is on the screen that is running here. You can click on it and drop your complaint. You can just drop your complaint there, and they will respond to you immediately, guys. That will be all for this video. Thanks, and God bless you, and make sure you subscribe to this channel, guys, and God bless you. See you in another video. Thank you.